Hi everybody, Scott here with Jen Swiss, Technical Supervisor.
Hi there, Robert Chin, a Regional Sales Manager from Marubeni Citizen Syncom.
Today we want to introduce a exciting event that's going to be happening at Marubeni Citizen Syncom in Allendale, New Jersey.
Yes, it'll be a demo day / webinar. It's a main in-person event. However, if you can't make it, it'll be broadcasted online at the same time throughout the country.
Jen Swiss is really excited to be a partner in that. We're going to do some technical demonstrations on some of the new tooling products that we have available for Citizen machines.
Yes, and with our machines that we're running on the floor, be it the M800 Control, going through print to part. So whether you're new to Swiss or a current user, an experienced user, it'll be very valuable training for the 2-hour event that we have.
It's an event you're not going to want to miss.
Come experience the difference. See you soon.